This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today we're doing a 2-year review of this floor right here. It is a peel and stick laminate or vinyl type floor that is groutable. So we installed it 2 years ago, and I will try to link to the video where we install it. So this has got grout on the inside and between the tiles. And overall, I'm really happy with it. So we have it in an Airbnb. And the floor has like a texture to it. It's not smooth, so that makes it nice and non-stick. We put it down, and we just had some guests leave who were here for a few months, and the floor held up beautifully. Then we put this down 2 years ago, and my only complaint might be that in a few little split places, like right here, there's a little bit of glue or something that seeped up. So that would be tiny little bits. You can see a little bit right there. And I don't know that anybody would notice, except for the person who's scrubbing the floor to get it clean. And it really has managed quite well. I believe we bought it at Lowe's. I don't know if they still offer it. And this here might be a tiny bit loose from the transition, but that's not really the fault of the floor. That would be just from wear. So I just thought I'd give you a quick update on how the floor is doing. Somebody wrote recently, asked me how it was, and it's holding up beautifully. It's still nice and firm and secured in all places, and haven't had any problem with it. So if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below, and thank you for watching.